The first rule of coughing is always cover your mouth. Now that that's out of the way, let's cover some basics on how to get rid of a cough. First, there are two types, wet coughs and dry coughs. Dry coughs can be caused by irritation. They're called dry because nothing comes up when you cough. To get rid of a dry cough, try a medicine or drop with a cough suppressant like dextromethorphan or an effective menthol remedy. Wet coughs are caused by an excess of mucus that builds up near the lungs. Ideally, you'd move that mucus out of your system by coughing it up. Using a medicine that includes an expectorant like guaifenesin will thin and loosen the mucus to help it move out of your system. And that's that. You'll be on your way to a cough-free life in no time.